What is the future of warfare in Asia? 2026. What is the future of warfare in Asia according to the latest military doctrine? The stakes are rising as new strategies shape conflicts across the region. You need to understand how this will impact global security now. The International Institute for Strategic Studies highlights a significant shift in Asia's military doctrine. Countries are increasingly focusing on integrated warfare approaches that combine land, sea, air, space, and cyber domains. This multi-domain strategy aims to enhance operational flexibility and counter emerging threats more effectively. This shift reflects the growing complexity of regional conflicts and the need to adapt to advanced technologies like drones, cyber warfare, and space capabilities. Technological innovation is at the core of Asia's future warfare strategy. Military planners are prioritizing artificial intelligence, unmanned systems such as drones, and sophisticated cyber capabilities. These technologies allow for faster decision-making, precision targeting, and disruption of enemy networks. The adoption of these tools is transforming traditional combat, making future conflicts more dynamic and less predictable. As Asian countries modernize and adapt their military doctrines, regional tensions are intensifying. Strategic hotspots like the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait heighten military activities and posturing. The doctrine's emphasis on rapid, integrated responses means conflicts could escalate quickly, increasing the risk of miscalculations. This evolving security environment demands close international attention to avoid destabilizing consequences. The changes in Asia's military doctrine have ripple effects on global strategic balances. Major powers like the United States and its allies are recalibrating their military postures and alliances in response. This includes increased joint exercises, enhanced intelligence sharing, and technological investments aimed at countering emerging threats. The shifting doctrines signal a new era of competitive military innovation with worldwide implications. With warfare evolving rapidly in Asia, governments, defense experts, and even civilians must stay informed. Awareness of these doctrinal shifts helps anticipate potential conflict scenarios and the broader impact on trade, diplomacy, and security. It also underscores the importance of supporting diplomatic efforts and conflict prevention strategies to mitigate future crises. What this means for you is that the future of security in Asia directly affects global stability, economies, and even daily life through the risk of conflict escalation. Staying informed about these military shifts can help you understand news developments and the importance of international diplomacy. Subscribe now for the latest updates on this critical topic.